One of the things that we do at A Good Mobile Detailing is we do window coatings. And window coatings, it basically comes down to like Rain-X. People would affiliate with their Rain-X. Now Rain-X only usually lasts a couple months or so. Ours will go for 2 years. This window coating is awesome. So check this out. This is a pre-spray. And you can see the water just kind of sits and lingers on it. Remember that. Remember how that just reacted. So now we're going to get a window coating on it. So we got the window coating on Alex's car. Watch the water now. What this does is when it's raining out, you're not going to have a bunch of water collecting on your windshield to where you have trouble seeing. Pretty impressive stuff.